Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Fiat wallet on crypto.com. First, open the crypto.com app and tap on the Accounts tab. From there, select Fiat Wallet and then choose your desired currency, such as USD or EUR. You might need to complete a quick verification step to ensure your account is secure and ready for transactions. This initial setup is crucial for managing your funds effectively within the app. Next, you'll want to link your bank account to your Fiat wallet. Tap the Deposit button within your Fiat wallet and choose Bank Transfer. You'll see specific bank details, including an account number and routing information. Carefully note these details. Then, use your online banking portal or visit your bank to initiate a transfer using the provided information. Remember to include any required reference codes. When making your first deposit, it's vital to include the unique reference code provided by crypto.com in your bank transfer. This ensures your funds are correctly attributed to your account. Most bank transfers process within 1 to 3 business days, though some may take longer. Once the transfer is complete, you'll see the funds reflected in your Fiat wallet balance, ready for use within the crypto.com ecosystem. With your Fiat wallet set up and funded, you can now easily buy various cryptocurrencies directly within the crypto.com app. Simply select the crypto you wish to purchase and use your Fiat balance. You can also withdraw funds back to your linked bank account whenever needed. Always keep an eye on your transaction history to track all your deposits, withdrawals, and crypto purchases for clear financial oversight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.